Introducing the 28-Day Keto Challenge. Everything you need to start losing weight on keto. It's time to take the 28-Day Keto Challenge. A well-crafted plan that gets you through your first month. Get our 28-day meal plan and 10 expert guides to educate and inspire you. Most people on a new diet have no plan. They learn what to eat and not to eat. They try new recipes, but they don't have a daily plan to carry them through that critical first month. Without a plan, it's too easy to fall for peer pressure, to be unprepared, and to make bad decisions. So why do it? We've guided over 416,387 people to success. Many clients lose up to 3 inches from their waist in the first week. Warning: if you can't afford a new wardrobe, do not take our 28-Day Keto Challenge. Start the 28-Day Keto Challenge right now by clicking the link in the description below.